Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. It is day 3, and today we will be doing a cozy movie night, kind of cozy Christmas winter night, whatever you want to call it. But right now I am doing dishes. I do want this vlog to be kind of like a silent vlog. This little series that I want to do on my page, we're gonna have a few silent vlogs. I just want to introduce it as this before it just be silent. So yeah, it's not really a side. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna see the vision. But right now, let's just go ahead and get into the vlog.
No beans on that. And your double chicken with veggies, please. Thank you, bro.
You want one double meat?
Can you do a little bit of black?
You look so good. Matching. Leave my strings out. Out. I'm excited for this food. I'm not gonna lie. You done? You ready? Alright. Come on, sugar. Look at it. What? Y'all don't mind it. Yeah. Come on. Out.
Sorry, I think that Nick's on the way to Arkansas.
Ooh. I'm gonna have to take a picture of your bowl. Your bowl look good. You really trying to put that little bit of cheese in there?
Yes. So I'm gonna do it so that way I can try.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Just- Oh yeah, you gonna do your little burrito. Let's get our picture. Ooh. I can't wait. Shit, there's somebody else to see too.
Don't you remember when we used to go to Chipotle and we went to that one where they kept
Oh my gosh, come on.
when they kept doubling ours and putting 2 in 1?
Oh my gosh, you had 2 wraps in one?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, have y'all ever did this trick? Is her back just big? I'm gonna go with that. What?
You didn't get it. I just said and then that that sound like the when she did that
Ooh, oh.
Yes.
I'm like, huh? I'm just ready to eat. You making
I know you
real.
can't even. I need a spoon. I can't even get my food good.
That back is just backing. Girl. Do you know what we should watch tonight?
What?
I was asking like, you know what we should watch
Do you want
tonight?
to watch a Christmas movie or do you want to just watch?
Yeah, like what Christmas movie? Do you have an
Chris
idea?
Little.
I got it right here. I did say I was gonna look up a movie, and then I didn't. It's kind of hot in here tonight.
After the movie?
Yeah.
No, that's not that movie. He gets another Christmas movie.
Listen, why don't you pass by the house on Saturday so I can hear all your wonderful ideas? All my wonderful ideas.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yeah, he's on his way. He got toys on the sleigh. Santa's coming to town.
Lizzie, the cute delivery girl just dropped these off for you. Shall I read the note? To my darling fiance. Oh, I so love that word. Happy Thanksgiving. I know you're tired and I can't believe you have to work today, but that's also why I love you so much. Oh. Only 6 weeks before we get married and I can't wait. Love you, Josh. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Seriously?